run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you're here because today's video is filled with tons of cleaning motivation for you guys. I am going to be focused on areas in my home that have been neglected, and I really want to do some deep cleaning of my floors as well as cleaning up behind my couch. It's not an area I get to often, so you won't believe just how messy it is. But before we get started, today's video is in collaboration with Kristen L, who is a mama to 2 little boys, and she posts tons of cleaning motivation on her channel. So once you're finished watching this video, definitely make sure to go check out her video. I will have it linked down below for you guys, and let her know that I sent you.
In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain.
If you are coming over from Kristen's channel, my name is Nia, and thank you so much for stopping by and checking out today's video. I'm a working mom with a 2-year-old little girl named Riley, and here on my channel I post tons of cleaning motivation to help inspire the everyday working mom balanced life and tackle your to-do list. I would love it if you join my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button down below, and also make sure to leave me a comment introducing yourself. I would love to say hi and get to know you better.
Feels like I pretend, keep on driving and driving along the roads and never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
So as you guys saw earlier, trying to move the couch is such a task in itself. So that's really one of the reasons why I don't get the opportunity to clean behind it too often. But when I do, there is always a mess, a bunch of dust and random things that has fallen behind there. So I'm gonna go in, give it a good sweeping, and then I'm also going to Swiffer that, as well as this little kind of like furnace stand that we have right next to the couch. Before fully moving the couch back, I'm going in with the orange and rosemary all-purpose cleaner from Grove Collaborative to wipe down the heater.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes.
It's crazy to see how much stuff had fallen behind the couch over time, so I'm going in and sweeping all of that stuff up, and there are a ton of different wires and cords and things like that that you're going to see, and that's because this couch has 3 different recliners, and they each need to be plugged in so that we are able to recline them when we sit down. So that's why you're going to see a ton of different wires and all of that stuff. It's all basically to power the couch.
So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. To Mars, oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Once I was finished done cleaning up behind the couch, I then rolled up the rug that we had so I can give the entire floor a good sweeping, and then I'm going to go in with the Swiffer to clean it as well.
I think you're better without me. Know for a fact that you're happy now. Hate that I treated you badly. Not much to do except apologize. No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a call. I regret what I said at the mall. No, I don't even miss you a bit. You and I didn't work, didn't fit. And I think you were right, I admit. I do. I hope you hear me through. No, I was bad for you. So I gotta tell the truth. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The others have to do is tell you I'm sorry. We got some history.
Moving on to the kitchen, I'm going to do a quick cleanup in here, and then I have a bunch of dishes that I need to wash in the sink.
Went out for dinner, the movies. I used to think that we were so lucky. No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a call. I regret what I said at the mall. No, I don't even miss you a bit. You and I didn't work, didn't fit. And I think you were right, I admit. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The others have to do is tell you I'm sorry. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The others have to do is tell you I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. Ooh, baby, I'm sorry. Oh, baby, I'm sorry. Ooh, baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh yeah. I didn't mean to call you a liar. I didn't mean to start up a fire. Baby, hurting you was not my desire. The others have to do is tell you I'm sorry. You know it's way too late, regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize, we went too far this time. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know. We got
We've had our air fryer for maybe about a month or two, and I use this almost every single day to make Riley dinner, and it's definitely time that it needed to be cleaned out. There were definitely a little bit of spills in there, and also just to let you guys know, I do have this exact air fryer linked down below in case you guys are interested.
too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby,
time to deep clean the floors with this Bona hardwood floor cleaner, and I have been on the hunt for the best wood floor cleaner that also leaves a good shine. So let me know what you guys recommend down below in the comments. I feel like we've used a couple different products and they tend to leave a streak on the floor. I'm not sure if we're doing it wrong, but leave all your suggestions down below. I'm not sure if you can really see this on camera, but there was a little bit of a spill that we had on the sofa. Riley spilled some of her yogurt, so I'm gonna see if I can get this out and scrub it out a little bit. To the front of the house, there really wasn't too much that needed to be done, especially in the living room area. It's not a room that we use too often, so I'm going to give it a good sweep and then follow it up with the Swiffer, and then I'm also going to wipe down the console table in the front as well.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past, so insecure by myself when I met ya. Come out and save me, hide my mess, need to untangle, and I'm a fool for you, baby, fool for you, baby.
more cleaning motivation, make sure to head over to Kristen L's channel. I will have it linked down below. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in a couple days in another video.
It's illogical, something that you do to me.